Good morning, class. This is your Sir Journeys, and today I'm going to show you how to change a flat tire in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Find a safe location to pull over and turn on your hazard lights. Step 2. Gather your tools, a spare tire, lug wrench, jack, and wheel chock. Step 3. Jack up the car. Remove the flat tire and replace it with the spare tire. In this part, we're looking for the nail that punctured the tire. Step 4. Lower the car, tighten the lug nuts, and replace it with the spare. See? It's that easy! Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. With these 4 simple steps, you'll be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the follow button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!